theology itself I found useful for a few reasons. But of course, there's like a crude sense in which by studying theology, it helps me to debate it. It helps me to argue with people. But
that, definitely.
But it's also an interesting window into human psychology. For example, why is it that people can believe so strongly and so easily in this idea that everybody's born in sin? And that thing that Eve said is a bit horrible.
That's a psychological question. If you, I don't know what sort of essays you had to write, but if you were allowed to write an essay on that, that would have been interesting. But I imagine you had to actually write a serious essay on the concept of sin itself, and the idea of redemption, and the idea of atonement.
Well, in order to answer that, you have to get to grips with the reasons people have for believing it.
Yes.
And I suppose that's what I'm doing here with you in saying even an atheist might recognize that there's a sense in which that's at least poetically true. We're all born in a state where we are unable to fulfill the standard that we want to fulfill. You know what I mean?
Poetically, yes, I suppose you could see it at a poetic level.